Online forms are of great importance in case of customer acquisition and user retention. They play an important role in customer feedback as well. But are you having trouble with your online forms conversion rate? Here goes a few quick tips to make your online forms more UX friendly and eventually boost up their conversion rate. Short and simple. People are likely to fill up shorter forms that takes a little time. So try to keep your forms as short and simple as possible. One column layout. As a natural direction, eyes move from top to bottom. Keeping your form fields in one column can give your users an easy flow, what you can't assure with a multi-column layout. Use tooltips. Tooltips are helpful when users need to be clear on some topic. So are placeholders. Guide your users with placeholders, error messages and help messages so that filling out a form doesn't seem like a hassle to them. Attractive title. When people see something exceptional like "Get instant access" or "Yes, I want that offer," they're thrilled to click on the button. Don't hold yourself back from using such titles. Browser autofill. No one likes repeating chores. If your form can allow browser autofill, your users are likely to convert faster. Keep the field labels with common attributes so that the browsers can identify and autofill them on behalf of users. Matching field. Input fields should be matching with the size of the information. Use your form space wisely. For instance, the address fields will be bigger while the name and email field will be smaller. To turn your form into a smart one, you can get WP Fluent Form, which is available on WordPress.org.